Good morning, children. Let us start from exercise 2.2, in which we will study multiplication of a fraction by a whole number or by a fraction. So children, you have studied in your previous exercises that how to do the addition and subtraction of the fractions, isn't it? By taking LCM. Okay, so today we will study how to do multiplication of two fractions. Okay, I have sent you the video. Hope you all have understood that. So now we will in this video we will take your book exercises. Okay, so let us take from exercise 2.2 first part. Okay, 3 upon 5 multiply 6. If you have to multiply this, what you will do? Now let us study the what is the formula for this. That product of two fractions equals to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Means that if we have to find out the product of two fractions, then first of all we have to multiply, means product of their numerators, and then upon product of their denominators. Like suppose we have 3 upon 5 multiply 6. So children, what we will do, product of the numerators means जो वैल्यू ऊपर हैं उन्हें हम न्यूमरेटर्स बोलते हैं, एंड द वैल्यूज दैट आर upon that are called denominators. So children, this is a whole number. 6 is a whole number, so it is a numerator, but it doesn't has any denominator, so we will take here 1. You know this, that if there is no denominator, we assume here 1, because if we write 1 or we write like 6, it is same. So what is the formula of that? Product of the numerators. So product of the numerators means 3 multiply 6, that is 18, and 5 multiply 1, that is 5. Children, don't leave your answer here only. Okay, you have to convert this in mixed fraction. Okay, so how to do in mixed fraction? You have to divide 18 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. 8 में से 5 माइनस सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए 3. So this quotient, children, this quotient will come here as whole number, and this remainder as numerator, and this is denominator only. Okay, so 5 will be denominator only, but this remainder will become the numerator, and this quotient will become the whole number. Clear? So we get 3 whole 3 upon 5. Now let us take fourth part. In this one, it is given in mixed fraction. So first of all, you have to convert this in improper fraction. How you know this? We will multiply this denominator by this whole number, so that 8 2s are 16, and then in numerator we have to add that. Okay, so 8 2s are 16 plus 5 upon 8. Multiply 12 हमारा simultaneously चलता रहेगा. Okay, so 16 plus 5 21 upon 8 into 12. Children, now we have the formula product of the numerators upon product of the denominators, but if any number is converting into simplest form, then we have to first of all convert this into simplest form. How? By cutting them. So this is 8. Children, look here, this is 8 and this is 12. Okay, so this 8 is also an even number and this 12 is also an even number. These both are, हमको एक ऐसा नंबर देखना है जो दोनों उससे कट हो रहे हो. ओके, सो think the number by which these two numbers are going cut. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again this is going from 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now what is left? 21 and 3. 21 multiply 3 upon 2 is left in denominator. So we have multiplied this, that is 63 upon 2. But don't leave here. If you will leave your answer here, then you know I will cut your half marks. Okay. Convert it into mixed fraction. After converting, we'll get the answer 31 whole 1 upon 2. Okay, children. Now come to this part, 14th, 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. So nothing can be cut. Okay, so it will be 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120, because we have done the product of the denominators here. Okay, now look at this part. These both are in mixed fraction. Okay, so first of all we have to convert these in improper fraction. 9 into 7 plus 1, 16 into 3 plus 3 upon 16, in this upon 9. We get here 64 upon 9 into 51 upon 16. Okay, now children, this all has been cut. After cutting all this, we got 68 upon 3. I will show you how I have cut this. See here, this is going by 2 and this also. So 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again this is going from 2, but you can see that 8 4s are also 32. So you can cut here directly. 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Okay, and this is going from 3, because you know 5 plus 1 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, and this 9 also. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5 में से 3 गए 2, it will be 21, then 3 7s are 21. Then what is left? 4 into 17 and 3 into 1, that is 68 upon 3. And by after doing converting into mixed fraction, we got 22 whole 2 upon 3. Got it? Now let us take the second part, that is find. Children, this of also means multiplication. Okay, so I have taken this third part, 2 upon 5 of 10 upon 11. This of also means multiply. Okay, so 2 upon 5 multiply 10 upon 11. This 5 is 10 is divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, that we got 2 2s are 4 and 11 1s are 11. This is in proper fraction. So don't convert this fraction into mixed. Okay, we have to only convert improper fractions. See, improper fractions will be converted into mixed fractions, not proper fractions. Clear? Now last part, 2 upon 13 of 5 whole 5, 1 upon 5. So this of will be converted into multiplication sign. Then we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 upon 13 into 26 upon 5. So this will cancel from 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. Then what is left? 2 2s are 4 and 1 5s are 4 upon 5. Okay, got it, children? So now for homework you have to do this first question and second question, all the parts. Until tomorrow you have to show me in your fair notebook. Okay.